How do we make creating thumbnails so much easier? G'day Christian creators, my name's Craig and I'm all about making thumbnails better. If you're not getting many views, you'll continually keep posting thumbnails, wondering why people just aren't clicking and wondering why your audience cares less and less about your videos. Hey, I have a Christian channel. They have to click. Isn't that how it works? Your channel should fill a need for one audience and one audience only. It's better to even think of your audience as one person. Now, I have a name for you, but I'll tell you that in a sec. However, there are 4 ways to find out who your audience is. The first is easy, the second is sneaky, the third is even sneakier, and the fourth is a little weird. Well, it's a lot weird, but it works. The first way is everyone talks about demographic, age, gender, location. We can find this in our YouTube analytics. Well, it doesn't tell us a whole lot, which brings us to the sneaky way. It's going through all of your comments. Now, don't go into what they are saying. Go into the things that they're not saying. We can also go deeper with this one as well. So go find other videos in your niche doing similar things to you. Look at their comments. What are they saying? What are their needs? Write them down. You'll be surprised what you find out. Time to go even sneakier. If we go into our YouTube studio and find our subscribers list, now you won't see everybody there, but you'll see enough, and go into view what other channels they are subscribed to. Now you don't have to go too deep with this. Just see what similarities are shared between everyone. You'll start seeing a pattern and get a feel for who the people that subscribe are into. For my other channel, I have a lot of subscribers that are Christian, but also were watching New Age channels. I was not prepared for that one, but this is where my audience is for that channel. Okay, this one is a little crazy, but it's so important. Do you know your tribe? What do they do? What's the first thing they do when they wake up? Do they have a strong instant coffee or a macchiato from their coffee pod machine? Do they even have coffee? Imagine one person in your tribe getting up, going about their day, going to work, not going to work. What do they do in their spare time? Do they have spare time? What do they eat? What do they watch? Or even more importantly, when? But once you get into the head of your audience, you'll know what they need or want. Once you have your demographics and psychographics down, you now have a treasure that can't be bought with gold. And each and every thumbnail and title should provide a question or a need and show love for this one specific group. Yes, give this tribe a name. Oh yeah, my tribe, you, Kevin. Yeah, I'm sorry. If you are going to put up a thumbnail or title that just doesn't fit this group, I'm sorry you can't. Create another channel for that. Your channel is special. It's precious. Nobody puts baby in a corner. There is another thing that can make your thumbnails even easier. Boiling down all thumbnails to 2 types. That's it. I'll show you how to do that in this video. Go create something awesome for God, and remember, don't make great thumbnails, just better.